I want to tell you something, Sarah.
Tell me, what happened, Alex?
Actually, I feel very sad.
Why do you feel sad?
My friends laugh at me all the time.
Why do they laugh at you?
They laugh because my English is poor.
Oh, I see.
I try to speak, but I make mistakes.
Do they laugh every time?
Yes, they laugh almost every time. It makes me afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English.
But you must try, Alex.
I try, but I fail.
Don't worry. Everyone fails at first.
How do I improve then?
Start with the simple present tense,
Why simple present tense?
because it's very important.
How is it important?
We use it every single day when we talk about our life, habits, and routines.
Daily life?
Yes, daily life. Listen, I'll give examples.
Okay, please do.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth also.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
See, we use simple present tense.
Oh, I see. You talk about what you do.
Exactly. That's the point.
It looks easy.
Yes, it is easy when you practice. Now you, listener, say it aloud with us. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Do you speak English with your family, Sarah?
Sometimes I do. My parents understand a little.
My family doesn't speak English.
That's okay. You can still practice with friends or with yourself.
But my friends laugh.
Then practice with me.
Really?
Yes, we can practice together.
Thank you, Sarah. You're kind.
Of course. Let's start with simple sentences.
Okay, I'm ready.
I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
I like football.
I like music.
See? Easy and natural.
Yes, these are simple. I can make more.
Go ahead.
I drink milk.
Good.
I eat rice.
Very good.
I walk to the market.
Nice one.
I play with my sister.
Excellent.
Do you think I can easily improve?
Yes, I really think so.
Do you feel proud of me?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, Sarah.
Keep speaking, Alex. Now it's your turn, listener. Repeat after us.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I play with my sister.
I play with my sister.
I eat rice.
I eat rice. What do you do in the morning, Alex?
I wake up early.
What do you do next?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
And what do you drink?
I drink tea.
Good. What about you, Sarah? I eat fruits in the morning. I drink coffee.
That's nice. Do you wake up early?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I try to wake up early, but sometimes I sleep late.
That happens. Just keep your routine.
After breakfast, I go to college.
And I go to work.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study hard. What about you?
I try my best.
That's all that matters.
My teacher speaks English in class.
Do you understand her?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you ask questions?
No, I feel shy.
Don't feel shy.
But my friends laugh.
Forget them. It's not easy, but you're trying.
Okay, I'll try.
You speak well today, Alex.
Really?
Yes, really.
I feel better now.
That's great. Keep practicing.
Thank you for helping me.
Always, Alex.
I feel more confident now.
That's what Unreal English is all about. Confidence. Now, I'm saying clearly and slowly, and you are repeating along with Alex. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I study hard.
I study hard. But Sarah, I still make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
My friends don't.
Trust me, they do. They just hide them better.
Then why do they laugh?
Because they don't understand how hard learning is.
I feel bad when they laugh.
Don't care about them. Care about your progress.
You're right.
Of course.
How do you practice English, Sarah?
I read short stories every day.
Oh, nice. What kind of stories?
I like stories about travel and love.
I like poems.
That's great. Reading poems helps pronunciation too.
I usually read silently.
Try reading aloud
Why?
because it helps your speaking muscles and confidence.
I see.
You should practice speaking every day, even alone.
Okay. I'll practice daily.
Do you watch English movies?
No, I don't. I don't understand them.
Try watching with subtitles first.
I don't like subtitles.
But they help you learn new words.
Okay. I'll try.
Good. I watch English movies every week.
Do you enjoy them?
Yes, I enjoy them a lot.
I watch Hindi movies.
That's fine. You can still learn English from any movie. Just focus on the dialogue.
True. I'll start watching today.
Great attitude.
Let's make more sentences.
Sure?
I clean my room.
Good.
I write in my notebook.
Nice.
I listen to my teacher.
Perfect.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
Excellent.
I play with my brother.
Good job.
I sing a song.
Beautiful.
I draw a picture.
Wonderful. Do you play games, Alex?
Yes, I play cricket.
I play badminton.
Do you play every day?
Yes, I play every day. What about you?
I play only on Sundays.
Why only Sunday?
Because I work on other days.
That's okay. Balance is important.
Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I do.
Do they speak English?
No, not really.
Same here.
Then let's speak English together, like now.
Okay, deal.
Now I'm saying clearly and slowly, and you are repeating along with Alex. Do you play games?
Do you play games?
Yes, I play cricket.
Yes, I play cricket.
I play badminton.
I play badminton.
I play every day.
I play every day.
I play only on Sunday.
I play only on Sunday. Do you eat ice cream, Sarah?
Yes, I eat ice cream. I love chocolate flavor.
I eat vanilla ice cream.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
I drink tea.
I drink tea sometimes, too.
I drink tea every day.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
I feel happy when I speak English with you.
I feel happy too. You never laugh at me.
Of course not. You're trying your best.
You encourage me.
That's my job.
What do you do on Sundays?
I go to the park, I buy vegetables, and cook food with my family.
I go to the market and play football. I read books in the evening.
That sounds nice.
Do you travel?
Sometimes, yes.
I don't travel much.
Why not?
I don't have time.
You should travel more. It helps your English too.
True. I like the beach.
I like the mountains.
I like the sea.
I like the trees.
Do you write a diary?
Yes, every night.
I don't.
You should. Writing helps your English.
Oh, I understand now. I'll start writing tonight.
Perfect.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I love soft songs.
I like fast songs.
Both are good for listening practice.
I practice with you and I feel good.
That's the spirit.
Do you think I'm improving?
Yes, every single day.
Do you believe in me?
I do.
Then I believe in myself, too.
That's what I wanted to hear. Okay, Alex, tell me, why is simple present tense important?
We use it every day?
Exactly. Every day to talk about habits, routines, and facts.
Facts?
Yes, like the sun rises in the east.
Oh, yeah, or water boils at 100 degrees.
Right. That's also simple present.
So we use it for truth?
Yes, for truth, for facts, and for habits.
Do we also use it for the future sometimes?
Yes. For example, the train leaves at 9, or the movie starts at 6.
Oh, like timetables.
Exactly.
Why do beginners need it first?
Because daily conversation happens in simple present.
Like, I eat, I go, I play, I drink.
Yes, that's why it's the foundation, like the base of a house.
Without it, everything falls.
You got it. Now I'm saying clearly and slowly, and you are repeating along with Alex. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I read books.
I read books.
I sleep early.
I sleep early. So, Sarah, how do I stop feeling shy?
By speaking more.
Even if I make mistakes?
Especially when you make mistakes.
Okay, I'll speak more.
Make small sentences first.
Like, I eat rice. I drink water. I go to market.
Exactly.
I meet my teacher. I help my friend.
Very good.
I feel happy now.
That's the power of practice.
I like simple present tense.
Everyone does. It's easy and useful.
Should I learn it before other tenses?
Yes, because it's the base.
Like the first step on a staircase.
Perfect example.
So, I should practice daily.
Yes. Make 10 sentences every day.
I'll speak them aloud.
Good. And write them in your notebook.
Slowly, I'll improve.
Yes. Step by step.
Can I tell you some sentences?
Sure.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast at 8. I go to class at 9. I study with my friends. I drink tea at 4. I read a book at night.
Excellent.
Do you think I'm growing?
You're growing fast, Alex.
Do you feel proud?
Very proud.
Thank you, Sarah.
Keep working.
I will. I never stop.
That's the Unreal English mindset.
So, simple present tense is for habits, facts, timetables, and daily talk?
Yes, it's everywhere.
Then I must master it.
You already started.
Now I don't feel afraid anymore.
That's beautiful.
I feel strong.
Because you are strong.
I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
I practice every day.
That's the secret.
I improve step by step.
And one day, you'll speak like a native.
Thank you for your help, Sarah.
Always welcome, Alex.
You're a true friend.
And you're a true learner.
I speak English now with joy.
And I listen with joy.
Simple present tense helps me.
Yes, it helps everyone.
I believe in myself.
And we believe in you too, listener.
Repeat after us one last time. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. You are learning, you are improving, you are doing great.
Thank you for joining us today on Unreal English.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I practice every day.
Keep shining, keep speaking, and remember,
Practice makes perfect, and progress makes confidence.